Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post 60-second story on Instagram, right? So if you're, let's go into the Instagram and make sure that you're using updated version of Instagram. Just go to the Play Store and update it. If you're using iOS, then just go to the App Store and update it right now, okay? And here we will click on the plus icon, which is on top right side corner, and just go to the story section. And here I will select a video, which is this video is around 2 minute 28 second, right? So how I can just make it around 60 seconds. So just click on this and here click
Hi
on the
everybody, in
story
this
and
video
just click
I'm
on the
going to
next,
show
and
you how to
here
see
you can
who
see that in the
unfollowed
bottom
you
there is a
on
three pieces, right? It is divided into three, so in this way you can upload a 60-second story. Just click on the next and just click on your story, and after that click on the share, right? So this is pretty easy guys, and let me show you that whether it's done or not. So just click on done, and here you can see that my story is getting uploaded. So here you can see that 19 second, 18 second, and let it just open. Okay, so we will just refresh it once more time just to show you. And here just due to the network connectivity it's getting slow, and here you can see the option of uploading, right? So it is still uploading. And here why I'm showing this, because yeah, here you can see that 40
Hi
seconds,
everybody.
then another 40 seconds. In this way you can upload a 60-second story on Instagram, and you can also upload more than a 60-second, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.